Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to unrestrict account on your Instagram. Maybe you want to unrestrict account on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can unrestrict account on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then from here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. Tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, you'll be directed into your profile page. From here, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of the screen. And then from here, tap on the settings and privacy. And here, you need to scroll down and you'll see here the restricted. Tap on this restricted button. And then simply tap on the continue. In here, you'll see the account that you restrict. Tap on this unrestrict button beside the account. After you tap on it, as you can see, account unrestricted and you haven't restricted anyone. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can unrestrict accounts on your Instagram, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can unrestrict accounts on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.